There is something happening in the world today. Something quiet, something invisible, something we don't talk about enough. A silent imbalance in the human body. Millions of people are waking up tired, even after 8 hours of sleep. Millions feel anxious, for no reason. Millions are losing their hair, watching themselves change in the mirror, and they don't know why. Doctors run tests. Everything comes back normal. You look fine on paper. They tell you it's just stress, maybe depression. Try to relax, but deep down, you know something is off. Your body is asking for help, and the answer? Maybe one of the most basic nutrients in human history. Vitamin D, not a supplement, not a pill, not a trend, but sunlight, life energy, the nutrient your body was designed to receive. And today, we're going to talk about what really happens when your body becomes low in vitamin D, how it affects your mind, your mood, your sleep, your hair, your hormones, and what you can do to restore your balance. This is Purely Vital. Let's begin. Section 1. What vitamin D really does. Vitamin D is not just a vitamin, it is a hormone your body uses to control over 2,000 different genes. Every system in your body, your brain, your bones, your immune system, your heart, your muscles, is influenced by vitamin D. When your vitamin D levels are healthy, your body communicates clearly, your mood is stable, your sleep is deep, your energy is steady, your immune system responds correctly, your hormones stay in balance. But when vitamin D drops too low, your body begins to misfire. Signals get crossed. Systems weaken. Stress hormones rise. Inflammation grows. You start to feel not yourself, not sick enough to collapse, but not healthy enough to live freely. This condition affects image, a fear that is valid but misunderstood. Food does not provide enough vitamin D to sustain the human body. Not milk, not eggs, not fish, not cereal. We need sunlight, not for tanning, but for biological activation. Our skin is actually a solar panel, and when sunlight touches the skin, something incredible happens. Your body produces the hormone that tells your cells how to function. But without sunlight, the system slows down. This slowdown is gradual, almost invisible. You don't notice it happening day to day, but you feel the consequences over time. Section 3. The symptoms of low vitamin D. Let's talk about the signs, slowly, clearly, so you can recognize yourself or someone you love. 1. Constant fatigue. Not just tired, heavy. You wake up tired. You go through the day tired. Coffee no longer works. Motivation fades. This isn't laziness. This is cellular exhaustion. Your body doesn't have the signal to generate energy. 2. Anxiety and mood changes. Vitamin D helps regulate serotonin, the mood-stabilizing neurotransmitter. Low vitamin D, low serotonin. Anxiety, irritation, sadness for no reason. This is why so many people with vitamin D deficiency feel overwhelmed, restless, unable to relax, trapped in their thoughts. This is not your personality. This is chemistry. 3. Hair thinning and shedding. Hair loss is emotional. It affects confidence, self-image, identity. Low vitamin add salmon, egg yolks, sardines, fortified yogurt. Not for complete correction, but for support. Step 4. Breathe outside. Just being outdoors calms the nervous system. This helps anxiety more than most people realize. Human beings were never designed to live indoors. Section 6. Supplement guidance, if needed. For some people, sunlight alone is not enough, especially in winter or northern regions. If supplementing, choose vitamin D3, not D2. Combine with vitamin K2 to guide calcium safely into bones, not arteries. Take it with healthy fats, like avocado or olive oil. The usual safe range for most adults, not medical advice, general guidance, 1,000 5,000 IU daily, depending on deficiency. But if possible, get your levels tested once every 6 to 12 months. Your body deserves clarity. Section 7. The healing timeline. Healing is gradual. Week 1, slightly better mood, slightly easier mornings. Week 3, deeper sleep, less irritation, more emotional stability. Week 6, hair shedding slows. Skin improves, mind clears. Week 12 and beyond, you begin to feel like yourself again. Not a new person, just the real you. The one who was always there, beneath the exhaustion. Closing message, 58 hours 60 year. Your body is not broken, it is communicating. Everything your body does is a message. Fatigue is a message. Anxiety is a message. Hair loss is a message. Not punishment, not failure, just a signal. And now, you understand the signal. You are not alone in this. You are not weak. You are healing, gently, steadily, patiently. And we are here, walking this journey with you. This is purely vital. Thank you for listening. Take a deep breath and take care of yourself today.